Hi there, today I got in a new toy. I'm doing an unboxing on what I need to create a solar powered bird bath for my garden upstairs. So let's take a look at it. This came in yesterday. I was so excited to open it, but I wanted to open it with you, so I had to wait till today. Are you ready? Wow. All this stuff for this little box. Now this is supposed to be a solar powered unit. I think it's going to be pretty small. Let me see, but big things come in small packages, they say. And okay, here we go. Opening it up. There we go. From a company called Biling. Biling, can you see that? Biling Pond Ease Garden Artistry. Yeah, okay. So it comes with a manual on how to use it. But hey, I'm a guy. We don't read instructions. All right, then inside that we get all kinds of, there's some screws. And oh yeah, this has several different head settings for whether you want the water to spurt straight out, to go into like a fountain or just bubble. And this is the bubbler part. And this is if I want to stick it in the ground. Hee. Let's see. Nice little electrical unit. It looks pretty long. I wonder how long it'll go. Now, they have floating ones that you can put just, the floating unit, a little round thing about this big, or probably this big. And the floating thing is actually the solar panels. But I want to put rocks around mine so the birds can have a place to stand up, and that would be covering the solar panels. So this one here has a separate solar panel section apart from where the water is. Matter of fact, I have about 5 pumps like this upstairs from my aquaponic days, but they're not solar, and I wanted to have solar. So let's see how long this wire is. Boy, I tried to untangle it, and it looks looks like I tangled it more in the process. There we go. So that's what I'd say. Looks like a good 10 feet, huh? So close to 10 feet of cord, which is nice. And this is a sponge, which is a filter. Oh, look. And there's a solar panel. So I guess I'm not going to be putting this on the roof of the house to get electricity. Probably have the lights come on for a second. But it's supposed to be enough to power this solar unit. And okay, so this looks like this plugs into here. Ooh, and it screws on. So if it's going to get wet, this will stop the wet. And I would put that someplace hanging up, which would be, let's see, hanging up. Which is probably what this is for. Yeah, okay, I thought that was a watering thing, but no. That goes behind here, and it looks like it slides on like that. Okay, and so if I want to stick it in the dirt, I would put this in here and stick it right in the dirt, aiming whatever way I need. Just a little adjusting thing here, a little adjusting button. There we go, so I can put it just how I need it. Oh, so if the sun's coming that way, I can start this way, and later in the day, as the sun goes away, then in the morning, go back. And the next day, I'm going to get a workout just from doing this. So that connects to here, and this just sticks right on the bottom of what I'm going to use, and the water spouts out. And let's see, let me open this so I can show you some new toys. And let's see. I never can get these little things opened. Should probably cut away to some supermarket music right now. Oh, here we go. Okay, so I would take this and put it on here. Oh, look, it's blinking. It already has power. Can you believe that? Maybe it just sits on there. I don't know. I'll have to figure that one out. You know, there's sometimes you should read the instructions. So what I will do is I will read the instructions because I'm going to put this together and I'm going to try to make a bird bath out of this. So the unit looks pretty nice. I'm happy with it. It's sturdy. It came packaged nicely. They've got 4 out of 5 star ratings, and this is probably, I got this on Amazon. 4 out of 5 star ratings, and it sold like 2,000 in the last month. That's what I look for, is all of them have 4 out of 5 star ratings. I mean, because there's always these daduns that say, it doesn't work when the sun's not out. It's solar powered. There must have been like 5 comments. Give them a 1 star because it didn't work when it was nighttime. So 4 out of 5 stars is pretty good. But look how many were purchased. Okay, so this one here only cost me, I think it was under 20 bucks. It was like, I think it might have even been like $12 or $13. And it came with all these different heads. So it was one for $8, but it only came with 1 head. And I wanted to have different options because I might not like this bird bath. I might want to have it flying up in the air. But remember, the higher the water flies up in the air, the more the wind's going to blow the water out of the container, and you're going to have to keep on filling it. So there we go. Great little solar bird bath type thing from Biling on Amazon. Biling Pond Ease Garden Artistry. And with that, in the next video, I'm going to move on and start building a bird bath. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Be there.